Hey guys, and welcome to Road to Forex. As always, my name is Alex, and I'm appreciative that you guys are here with me today. Now, I'm going to give you a glimpse into a profitable day as a Forex trader, both from the outlook of a scalper and a day trader, which is what you guys know me for the best. So whether you are looking to go full-time or part-time or casual with this, at least you'll have some idea of the requirements, or at least understand what is necessary in terms of time commitments for being a professional trader and what it takes to have these profitable days. Now, this is not going to be me going to the gym or having any coffee, do not worry. It's got nothing to do with trading whatsoever, but I am going to show you what I do while I'm trading, while the market's on, and how often I need to be by my desk, by my phone, whatever it is, and some more good insights. Before we head on over to the charts, however, if you could like this video, if you could subscribe, and of course, leave a comment if you've got any questions or have learned something. Alright guys, let's hop onto the charts right now. So, what you can see here is I am on the USO USD charts on the 1 minute time frame. Over here, however, you will see that this is a CL chart. For those of you that trade futures, yes, it is a futures chart, right? But don't worry, 8cap, it's a Forex broker. So you can still trade this, what I'm doing now, as a Forex trader. That's all. So first things first, because I am on this 1 minute chart up here, it does mean that I have quite a lot of time constrictions. I am going to be viewing these charts here, whatever is going on, quite intently, which means I can't really leave my desk. I can't really leave my station for too long. Now, you can see that I have price alerts here, and obviously down here as well, these little dotted lines, so I can still walk away. I don't have to be here 24/7. I can't be laser focused the entire time. It's just not gonna work. So I use these price alerts to my advantage. So if I do need to walk the dog, have a drink of water like I have over here, well then I can do that. I can walk away. And if I don't hear them go off, I'll still check every 15 minutes. Now, why do I do this? It's a lot of fun. It does mean that I can get a lot of trades. In fact, I took a trade recently down here, and I'm now waiting for a setup should it come to this top area. So I might enter 2, 3, 4 trades a day. And right now, if I literally bring this up on my screen, you'll be able to see, ta-da, that I have made some profits today. Still, if I'm making $200-300 a day, well, that's life-changing, and because I'm not leaving my laptop or my room, I'll do this, even if I do have to pay attention to the charts all the time. It's not a big deal. Let's go on to what a day trader's commitments are to the chart. So being a day trader actually gives me so much more freedom than being a scalper does. However, the downside is I might only get into one trade every day, maybe every 2 days, and depending on what time frame that I'm really going for, it could be every 3 days. Who knows? So I get less trades. However, I do make up for the fact that you can see here on my alerts tab that I am trading quite a few different pairs. Now, this is quite good because it tells me when to buy and sell. Yes, that is correct. I have my own indicator. So realistically through here, right, if I'm looking at this, I'm going to get alerted whenever this buy signal comes up. So as long as I've got my phone near me, I can be hanging out with my mates, I can be taking the dog for a walk or going out to dinner. It does not matter because this is going to send me an alert. You can see going over to AUD USD. That's another trade that's going really well in the right direction. AUD Chef, I'm not so sure, kind of consolidating right here. And then JPY, which is not. So you got one doing nothing, one doing not so well, and 2 doing really well. And I'll choose whether I want to hop into these trades or not. But as I said, this is what gives me a lot of freedom in my day. I'm a day trader. I am trading here on the 30-minute time frame. I also trade on the 1 hour time frame as well, which gives me even more freedom. So that helps me out. So with this, I can really do anything, and as I said, I can leave. So that makes it a whole lot easier. And guys, really, that is it. There's nothing else here. if you want to do the same thing as me, you can. If you want to be a day trader, yeah, you will have more time. You will have less trades. If you want to be a scalper, yeah, you got to sit there for quite some time. But it does mean that you'll get more. So it really depends on what's going on and how much time you have to trade. But that's it, guys. As you can see, and again, I'll bring it out here. I've made roughly $250 today, roughly around that area. And as long as I do this and I take that one good trade and I sit there and my indicator comes up and says, hey Alex, you've got good trades, well, that's really good for me. I will sit here for the entirety of the Asia session, however, for scalping, but that works out because it really opens up at 10 a.m. now and it closes at 6. And it still means that, hey, I'm in my house, I'm in an environment that I really like, and that's the life of me as both a day trader and a scalper. If you've got any questions, please put them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you want to take advantage of this indicator, of course, you can sign up to my Patreon. You get it for 2 weeks for free, which is amazing. Or you can just work with me at roadtoforex.com. Anyway, guys, that is it from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.